Episode 10. How jury manipulation gets exposed in post-trial motions. A trial may end with a verdict, but the truth doesn't. Post-trial motions are where jury manipulation finally gets dragged into the open. Once the jury leaves, the law gives you a second battlefield. Post-trial motions, where you can expose everything the jury never saw. This is where outdated evidence, selective angles, hidden trespass, and lawyer misconduct stop being storytelling and start becoming grounds for relief. Here's how. When the plaintiffs used a January 9, 2024 winter storm video in an August 2025 trial, you couldn't stop the jury from believing it. But in a post-trial motion, you can prove. The footage was irrelevant. Conditions had changed. The video hid the functioning riprap channel. The plaintiffs omitted their own diversion and trespass. The camera angle was curated. The jury never saw the actual flow pattern. You can show the judge the evidence your lawyer refused to introduce. The photos of water flowing freely next to their curated frame, the trespass into the infrastructure, the real drainage path they concealed, and the contradictions in their own testimony. Post-trial motions force the court to confront everything that was kept from the jury. Under Rules 59 and 60, you can argue misleading evidence, omission of material facts, counsel's failure to object, false impressions created at trial, newly discovered evidence, and violations of the duty of candor. A judge can reopen the record. A judge can correct the findings. A judge can sanction misconduct. A judge can order a new trial if the verdict was built on deception. Because once the full truth hits the record, the cropped angles, the missing flow, the outdated storm, the concealed trespass, the court sees the case in a completely different light. Post-trial motions don't just challenge the verdict, they expose the manipulation that produced it. The jury saw a curated story. The court, post-trial, gets the real one. Every piece of land has a story. Follow Land Unlocked to uncover the laws beneath it.